Hi everyone, let's learn how to navigate Google Classroom so that you can complete the assignments that you are issued at the beginning of every school year. At the beginning of every school year, every single school employee must complete a certain number of tasks. Sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 5. This year it happens to be 4. And some of these are required by All Saints Academy, some are required by the state of Michigan, and some are required by the federal government. Either way, every employee must complete them at the beginning of every school year. So please do your due diligence and try to work through those assignments and get them done so that we don't have to constantly remind you to finish those. So the first place you'll start every year is in your Gmail. So I'm here in Gmail, and you can see that I have a class invitation, and that's what it's going to look like. The year will change. Usually it's from me, and it says class invitation, beginning of the year requirements, whatever the year is. Simply open that email and join class. It's going to open Google Classroom for you, and you may be hit with another join class option. Once you've joined it, the class will just simply open. It's going to open to the stream view, and the stream view lists everything that you've ever been assigned or anything that's been communicated. For example, this first one isn't an assignment. It's simply a reminder that if you need help navigating the class, you can watch the video. Then come your assignments, and you can simply open them right here from the stream view. In fact, this is the easiest way to navigate through your assignments. So you simply open up the first assignment. It's going to tell you how many points you're going to get for it. It's going to tell you approximately how long it should take you to complete the task, and it's going to list instructions. So in pretty much every case, there are going to be some supporting documents and a quiz. So you've got a presentation to watch, or a video to watch, or a document to read through, and then it will be followed by a Google Forms quiz. Now, one exception to that will be one of the videos has questions embedded in it, and so that's all you'll need to do is watch the video. And in another assignment, all you'll need to do is fill out a form. So pretty much it's going to follow the same pattern. You're going to open the presentation or the video. It opens in a separate tab. Once you've watched it, you'll come back to the assignment, again, by just simply navigating through the tabs. And then you'll click your quiz to take your quiz. You'll go through the form, answer that, click Submit, and if it's a quiz, you'll be given your score. At the top of every quiz, it lists what your minimum score must be to pass. As long as you've passed the quiz, you can then move on to the next assignment. You can go back to your assignment, and again, we're navigating through these by clicking on the tabs. So when you're done with the form, you might want to just close that tab, go back to your assignment. The most important step in every single assignment, and in fact it will be your last step and it'll be listed in bold here, will be to come up here and mark the assignment as done. One of the assignments will say turn in instead of done. The same thing. Either mark it as done or mark it as turned in. Even if you've taken the quiz 100 times and you fail to mark the assignment as done, the assignment will continue to look like you haven't completed it, and you will continue to receive reminders to complete the assignment. So do yourself a favor and right off the bat, go back and mark that assignment as done. Then you just simply come back up here to your class link, and it's going to take you right back to the stream. You can then open the next assignment. So you can just work your way down, and you can see all of these are very similar. This happens to be the assignment where all you have to do is watch the video and then click Turn In. So that's all you have to do. So once again, once you've marked it as turned in, you come back here. Now say you can't finish all the assignments in one sitting. So you've closed Classroom, so let's go ahead and close that. Now how do you get back to it? Well, all you need to do is open any of your Google forms, or excuse me, Google your Gmail, your Docs, your Drive, anything from any of those, and then go to the app switcher. Once you click on the app switcher, you'll click Classroom, and it will take you right back to your courses. And you just simply open that course back up. And from the stream, it might be difficult to tell what's completed and what you still need to do. There's two ways to tell what you still need to do. You can click over here in the left on the To Do, and it will tell you, it will have a due date if it is not complete, or it will say turned in or done if you have completed it. So then you just go to the next one that still has a due date. The other way to go through that, and let's go back to Classroom. The other way to do that is to look at your Classwork tab. And again, if there's a due date, it's not done yet. But if it says turned in, it's complete. So that's how you can tell where you left off. But again, I would come back to Stream and I would open the assignments from Stream. It takes fewer clicks to open your assignments and mark them as done that way. So that is pretty much all you need to navigate through Classroom back and forth to open your assignments and mark them as done. So go ahead and knock those out before the due date, and that way you won't continue to be reminded to finish your assignments.